How to change your country in chess.com. Hello and welcome to our channel by Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can easily change your country in the chess.com app. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your chess.com app, and then once you're on your chess.com app you have to tap on more here in bottom right corner. Then here tap on settings, and in settings tap on profile, and here in profile you will see this country option. So tap on your country, and then here you will see all of the countries. So select the country that you want, and then after selecting tap on it, and to save it tap on here check in the top right corner and wait for a few seconds, and here it says new achievement self-portrait, and now the country is changed. And so this is how you can change your country in the chess.com app. Thanks for watching.